hard to find another chicken of the woods here. It's a small cluster, but I'm happy. Chicken of the woods, but very hard. It might not be eatable.
Good eye, good eye.
Hmm?
That's a little
Isn't that a chicken?
Yeah, that's a yellow bottom Latiporus sulphurus. The white bottom one is Latiporus cincinnatus. But yeah, that's a nice little chicken. That's edible. We should take that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, pick it.
We take it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Make the
It's smaller than what we find at Dan's place. Oh, your chicken, why do you fall?
Hey.
Chicken of the woods.
Njagala bigambo bya gundi biri emabega ku t-shirt. Chicken of the woods.
Chicken of the woods.
Okay. So it is your collecting back.
Well, I didn't expect to find
Yet you came for mushroom hunting. You thought there wasn't.
You want to get up inside of there? Climb up in there.
You've ever been here? Tata Kenny, no. Please don't do that.
He's fine. We did this as kids.
Aha, that would be the.
Get down here.
Guys, what's up?
Baba, mwepangisa rocks zammwe ez'ekibaale. Maama nnyabo.
Yeah, this is good, but only the.
Now let me ask, how am I going to climb there?
Right up over here. Look.
Mm-hmm.
Right here. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Right here. I'll stand down here and he'll stand up here.
Mm-hmm. You come and.
Let me check here. We might. It looks like we're gonna have to climb again.
Huh?
If you don't mind climbing, we can go this way.
She will cross. She will cross.
Okay.
Let's go. You just give her a pull there and then.
Let me try it alone.
I'll get on some flat ground there. This one, we'll have to get up here as well, but or we crawl through there. Okay.
I cannot do it.
You cannot do what?
I cannot.
We gotta crawl through there.
This one is too big for her.
Yeah.
Woo! That's a good one to go through there.
Careful on that log there. I put your foot right here. I'll help you up here.
Hello?
Watch that log though, that's slick.
So where?
Good?
One hand should be this side, then you give him the other hand. Like that.
With this foot, hand right here.
Extend the other side.
There we go. Now we're climbing.
Hey. So you thought hiking is just walking through the woods, my friend?
Yeah.
But you've gone in front and I'm leaving my husband behind.
He's coming.
Come and help.
He's very fit. He's very fit.
Oh, this is nice.
Hey, we had not done this.
It's easy to breathe out here.
We had not.
There's nothing we've not done in the US.
We had not done. We had not done this.
Let's go this way.
That's where
There's
you
your
come
phone.
from. Oh, thank you. We had not done this. This one just got tired of the water.
Mm.
We'll go look at this waterfall, see if it's flowing. Below us, if we stay down on the bottom, we get into this big cave, and it's really cold in there. They call it the Devil's Ice Box, just because it could be 90 degrees out and it's 70 in there. I don't want to get our feet wet. We might get wet over there, so we'll stay across the bottom. But we will go check out this other waterfall on the other side after this one.
Mm-hmm.
After we check these big old oaks. Black squirrels.
Yeah, I have not seen. This one here is busy cracking. Hmm?
Yep.
I think there are people who have gone there.
Look at them holes in the ground over there. You fall through there, that would make for a bad day.
Don't go near it.
So this is a fall.
No.
It's a ditch.
Falls, I think, are over here. I hear the water trickling. I hear it trickling, but it's been so dry that we probably won't have a very thick fall. It won't be rushing, but I'm sure it'll be trickling. I can hear it. Look at that little bridge.
Hmm?
This one here. Yeah. But I'm here, the water flowing down there. Yep, I think it's back here in this corner.
Nze siso sigenda mu binnya. Wangi? Yeah. Amazzi gali omwo munda. Ogawuli. Hmm? Mpulira ntya. Ntya nnyo.
Careful there.
Yeah.
These boxes over here, that black pad.
Look at that cave. This is a water cave. Oh, damn. This is where it is. Water just running down there underneath. There's a waterfall here.
This
Ah.
cement,
Eh,
this is all new. I'm really not.
you didn't leave it here.
I wasn't here last time I was here, but looks like they cut a lot of trees down over there as well. I'm guessing they got some sort of project going on here.
Which I think, which means when it is real raining, the fall is.
It's nice. Yeah. Yeah, we haven't had much rain, so.
Ah. So from here runs all the way down. This is the forest, the woods. Call them the woods. So we are hunting for mushrooms. Hunting for mushrooms as we also enjoy the forest walk. Okay. Remove the That's where we are going. We are now sloping down. Ooh, look at where we are going. Okay. We also go down. Ooh, see where we are coming from. Down.
Hey, look at this. Hey,
The red ground, that's iron. That red water, that's real high in iron.